Foggy car windows can be both annoying and dangerous because they block your view while driving. The good news is that there are several simple and effective ways to quickly remove the fog and keep your windows clear. One of the fastest ways to remove fog from your car windows is by using the vehicle's air conditioning system. Turn on the air conditioner or the heater and adjust the settings to blow air onto the windshield. For faster results, use the defrost mode if your car has it. The warm, dry air helps evaporate the moisture on the glass and clears up the fog quickly. Sometimes, the easiest solution is to let some fresh air in. By slightly opening your windows, you allow the humid air inside the car to escape, which balances the temperature difference between the inside and outside of the car. This simple trick reduces condensation and helps prevent the windows from fogging up again. Even a small crack in the window can make a big difference, especially during heavy rain or extremely cold weather. Another practical and convenient option is to use a commercial anti-fog spray. These specially formulated products are designed to create a thin, invisible layer on the glass that effectively prevents condensation from forming. To use, simply spray a small amount onto the inside of your windshield and other car windows, then wipe it gently with a clean, soft cloth. Anti-fog sprays are particularly useful for drivers who frequently face foggy conditions, as they provide long-lasting protection, improve visibility, and save valuable time during your daily drives. If you do not have an anti-fog spray handy, there are several simple and effective home remedies that work surprisingly well. One popular trick is to rub a small amount of shaving cream on the inside of the glass. Shaving cream is inexpensive, easy to apply, and provides a quick DIY solution to keep your windows clear. The thin residue left behind helps prevent fogging for a long time. These methods create an invisible barrier that stops condensation from forming, and are especially handy when you are on the go or need a budget-friendly solution. Using your windshield wipers can help remove condensation or light fog on the outside of your car windows. This is especially useful during rainy or misty weather when moisture collects on the glass. Keep a clean microfiber cloth in your car to quickly wipe away fog from windows. Microfiber is gentle on glass and absorbs moisture effectively, giving you clear visibility within seconds. Most cars come with front and rear window defoggers. Activating the front defogger directs warm or cool air onto the windshield, quickly clearing fog and improving visibility while driving. The rear defogger uses electric heating lines embedded in the rear glass to melt condensation or frost, ensuring better visibility from the back. Both are especially helpful during cold mornings, rainy weather, or humid conditions, making your drives safer and more comfortable. As a handy tip for removing fog from car windows, the windshield cleaner and defogger packing organizer works instantly on fog and condensation. It can be used wet or dry, without any chemicals, making it a safe and eco-friendly solution. Machine washable and reusable, it is perfect for keeping your windshield and mirrors clear. Its gentle material ensures that your glass stays scratch-free, while improving visibility and driving safety. Adjusting your car's air recirculation setting can help prevent foggy windows. Turning off the recirculation allows fresh air from outside to enter, reducing humidity inside the car. This helps balance the temperature difference between the interior and the glass, clearing condensation faster. Using this tip along with the defroster or air conditioner keeps your windows clear and your drive safe. Preventing fog is often easier than clearing it. Make sure to dry your car mats, seats, and interior surfaces regularly. Using a car dehumidifier or moisture-absorbing packets is a simple way to keep your car interior dry. These devices work by absorbing excess humidity from the air inside the car. By reducing moisture, they help prevent fog from forming on windows. They are especially useful in humid climates or during rainy seasons. Regular use can also protect your car's interior from mold, mildew, and unpleasant odors. Overall, they make your drive safer, more comfortable, and stress-free. Dirt and grease on the windows make fogging worse because moisture clings to these surfaces. Clean your car glass thoroughly using a glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Clean windows not only reduce fogging, but also improve visibility, making driving safer and more comfortable. By following these simple tips to remove and prevent fog from car windows, your morning drives will be safer, more comfortable, and less stressful, allowing you to focus on the road ahead without worrying about fogged up glass.